Functions allow you to organize your code into reusable blocks. They make your code cleaner, more readable, and easier to maintain. A function is defined using the def keyword, followed by a function name and parentheses. Then you can place in whatever code that you want to accomplish a task. In this case, we're greeting a user. Now, I can call this function whenever I want by just typing the name of the function, using a set of parentheses. This is called calling a function. When I run this code, it will perform whatever's inside of that function, which is hello and welcome. You can also create functions that take in information called parameters to make them more dynamic. So in this case, we're getting the parameter name and printing out a customized message for the user. And this time, when I'm calling the function, instead of just using greet user in parentheses, I'm placing in whatever I want to use for the parameter. This way, when I run the code, I can have my name inserted into the function given. Functions can also return a value after they're done executing. So when I call this function, I can pass an argument. Usually when we refer to the item in parentheses in the function, after the name of the function, we call it a parameter. And inside, when we're calling the function, will usually be called an argument. So the argument that I'm putting in here would be 5 and 3. And you can see that this automatically sets it to A and B. I set it equal to a variable just to store it for now. But once I print this, it adds the two numbers together. Functions allow you to group code into reusable blocks, pass in data through parameters, and even return values to use elsewhere in your program. They're an essential part of writing efficient and readable Python code.